today's session discuss the solid state last theoretical topic. So directly you are tested, so very important. So hints point of view with notes method detailedly discuss. So compulsory the topic is one question is for public, one or two questions, so very important. The topic is the imperfections of solids. So what is meant by the imperfections of solids? All solids are present anions, cations. The changes of physical and chemical properties, is are called imperfection of solids. So four type of imperfection solids. So point defect, line defect, interfacial defect, volume defect. So now discuss in your book depth form is a point defect. So advantages, what is meant by imperfection of advantages? Example, silicone is the conductivity of electrical, increasing of electric conductivity increase. What is the mean with imperfections of solids? And the next, ferromagnetic substance like the ion can be magnetized. Ferromagnetics is the magnetized and demagnetized of imperfection imperfections. And next will be the classifications of points. Is already now depth discuss or the point defect. So point defect is the based on three type: one, stoichiometric defect, and non-stoichiometric defect, and impurity defect. Stoichiometric defect is a Schottky defect and Frenkel defect, two subdivision. Non-stoichiometric defect is a metal excess defect, metal deficiency defect. What is meant by stoichiometric defect? Missing of important points, missing of anion or cations, and equal number of anions and cations is also missing of any position. So presence of positive ion, interstitial position, example Schottky and Frenkel defect. So discuss the Schottky defect. So already point is also known. The takes place of Schottky defect, something the common salt, sodium chloride salt, sodium ions one positions of missing, and same like that the chlorine ions is one position of missing, is called number of anion sodium, and cations is a crystal lattice of missing number of the atom, equal number of atom missing. So here also structure sodium chloride, the sodium is also missing of the sodium ions, and the second series is the chlorine is the missing ions. So any series equal number of stoichiometric crystals, no charges of the positions, is the similar size. Cation and anion is a similar size, is the second point. Equal number of ions missing, and the second point anion cation similar size. The Schottky defect will be decreasing of the density. And Frenkel defect, compared to the Frenkel defect, the do not missing of atom is the interstitial positions of cations, is the size will be variable. Frenkel defect takes place the dislocations of ions, the proper place do not stay on the position. So improper place cations will be similar size, change into the interstitial position. Example silver bromide, the cations and anions should be different size. The next will be the stoichiometric crystal, is the Frenkel, those not decrease of the density do not decrease. Here the position also present of the cation silver, but the dislocation position, interstitial position of the here, so do not missing of the ions, position will be changed, is the size variable, and do not decrease of the density compared to the Schottky and Frenkel. So differentiation of our questions, or any one part is also Frenkel defect, Schottky defect of our questions for 2 mark 3 mark. And next will be metal excess defect, is the non-stoichiometric position. Metal excess defect is the presence of the example is the ions will be the electrons anion position will be the are called metal ions present is the more than is the electrons is also repulsion functions are called metal excess. The any one position is also electron attractions. The electrically neutralized maintains presence of the extra electrons interstational position. The sodium chloride crystal, what is the meaning of extra electrons? Some pure sodium chloride salt do not conduct electricity. Some any one or two water drops is also salt is also observed. The ionic salt is electron produced of the anions atom that position electrons intermediate position in the cubic factor. So that position is called interstational position of metal excess. So metal deficiency, the metal ions present is the lesser than anion. So anion is a lesser than values. This is a lesser than of. Example will be the metal deficiency defect is example iron oxide. Fe2 plus is also from crystals. The oxidation state is already known. The metal will be considered of X oxygen state. Oxygen is the -2 1 into 2 minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to +2 oxidation state of ion. In the maintenance electrical is neutralized to ions oxidized to the compared to the missing of equal to oxidized to Fe3 plus ions. The electron same ion oxidized to one electrons easily. So ion dislocated Fe2 plus ion missing, but here Fe3 plus also here Fe3 plus also here. So equal, but the electrons easily lesser than of anion. So this is a metal deficiency defect. So one electron's extra deficiency is called metal deficiency effect. Then last one, impurity defect. So impurity defect, the same anion cations also perfect crystal present, another one cationic complex are called present is called impurity. The ratio will be decreased is called impurity defect. So addition impurity ionic solids are called impurity defect. So additions cadmium chloride to silver chloride, cadmium chloride with silver chloride, cadmium ions replaced to silver ions crystal. The maintenance electrical balanced, the cadmium chloride to silver ions neutralized will be the crystal lattice is the present missing of silver ions. Silver of Y is the loss of 1 electrons. Cadmium is a loss of 2 electrons. So more missing is of silver ions is the neutralized do not balanced. So imperfections of chloride ion do not balanced of the position of the cubic cells. So impurity defect is the example is a additions of cadmium chloride to silver chloride. This is a impurity defect. So that part is the last one of the part, and next will be the important questions. Only one, zinc oxide turns yellow on heating and due to the formation metal excess defect. Will be the loss of oxygen. Example will be the 11th standard salt is zinc sulfate salt. Is will be heat is the sulfur and the oxygen is the oxidized on the zinc is the zinc 4th group test will be oxygen oxidized, remove of the sulfur and oxygen atom, and only zinc ions is also zinc 2 plus form free state is also ions is electrons occupy of the interstational position, so turns on yellow on heating of zinc oxide. Same is the zinc oxide positions. The already known will be the zinc sulfate salt is also already light yellow is changed into the light heat and hot conditions. So zinc oxide easily turns yellow of the on heating of positions. That questions is also 1 mark questions or 2 mark questions also in your public. Thank you to all.